Yep.
Welcome back.
Well, thank you. No worries.
No, you're fine. I kind of kicked it.
I said it.
You're fine. I love it.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Dallas, how you doing?
Nice to see you, Airplane Guy 64.
See you again. I didn't have that guy sign it.
Into Hawaii, so there is not going to be any drink service. So just make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Nothing allowed on your lap during taxi, takeoff, and landing. So if anything is present at this moment, guys, place those articles under the seats in front of you or in the overhead bins. If you have water bottles, please hang tight onto them. Those can be dangerous in our turbulent weather. Welcome on board.
#1 priority. So please give us a few minutes of your attention as we share the important safety features of this aircraft. If you haven't already, please fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away. Seatbelts should be worn low and tight. It is Hawaiian Airlines policy that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times when seated. When the seatbelt sign is not illuminated, you can leave your seat if necessary. When you return, please refasten your seatbelt. There are 7 emergency exits on this aircraft marked with red and white exit signs. There are 2 forward doors, one on the left and one on the right, 4 window exits, 2 on each side of the aircraft, and a rear door that leads to the tail cone exit. Please locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind that these exits may be in front of or behind you. Emergency path lights near the floor will guide you to the emergency exits. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If the cabin pressure changes in flight, an oxygen mask will appear from a compartment above your seat. When this happens, quickly reach for the mask and pull firmly toward you. This will start the flow of oxygen. Please make sure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it over your nose and mouth with the elastic band, which can be tightened by pulling on tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag may not inflate. Continue to breathe normally until we tell you it is no longer needed. If you're traveling with a child, we suggest you secure your mask first, then assist your child with an additional mask, making sure that it fits tightly to the face. A life vest is located either beneath or between the seats. To remove the life vest from the container, pull up on the red tab. Remove the life vest from the plastic bag by pulling the tab. Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front or by blowing air into the tube at the top. Infant life vests are located in the overhead compartment. Should a water landing be necessary, these infant life vests will be distributed. For operation of the infant life vest, please refer to the safety briefing card or ask a flight attendant. It is a federal offense to remove a life vest from the aircraft. A safety briefing card containing more information about this aircraft is located in the seat pocket in front of you. We ask that you take a few moments to review this important safety information. Please help us prepare the cabin for departure. Check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your carry-ons are properly stowed completely beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. If you're traveling in the first class cabin, please make sure that your seat back is in the full upright position. If If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff. Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Small personal electronic devices may be used anytime during the flight. Devices with transmittal features must be placed in airplane mode. However, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi usage are allowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of any type of electronic smoking device, is not permitted at any time on board the aircraft. For your safety, our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector. Your compliance with the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions is required. Your reading light control and flight attendant call buttons are located on the panel just above you. Please call on us if we can be of any assistance to you during the flight. On behalf of all of us at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. Mahalo nui loa and enjoy your flight.
to welcome you to the Daniel K. Ino International Airport here on the island of Oahu. We'll be taxiing for just a few moments. For your comfort, but especially your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Carry-on items properly stowed until our aircraft comes to a complete and final stop at our gate, and Captain Alex has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before leaving us today, check the area about you, any carry-on items that you may have brought on board. When you're opening those overhead compartments, please be very careful as your items may have shifted during our flight. We'll be using the forward-most left-hand door to disembark the aircraft. Please watch your step. There's a slight floor level change walking onto the jet bridge system. If you are making any inter-island, mainland, or international connections, check the monitors in the lobby for your next gate assignment. There's a courtesy shuttle bus that can take you over to the main terminal that's located on the 3rd level across of our gift shops, and if Honolulu is your final destination, checked bags can be claimed on the lower level baggage claim numbers 9, 10, or 11. Please refrain from smoking until you're well within the designated smoking area. Your cellular phones can be used at this time as long as it can be reached from a seated and belted position only. And on behalf of our entire Hawaiian Airlines Ohana, most especially your flight crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been our pleasure serving you. We look forward to seeing you on a future Hawaiian Airlines flight. Until we have that opportunity, we'd like to extend to you our warmest aloha and mahalo for choosing to fly with us here at Hawaiian. Have a beautiful day. Now, for those of you that are interested, our Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard is having a special in-flight promotion offering 65,000 bonus miles. With that 65,000 miles, you can get up to 4 round-trip neighbor island flights, 5 round-trip neighbor island flights, 3 one-way flights where we travel between Hawaii and one of our many North America destinations, or a round-trip flight where we travel between Hawaii and one of our East Coast cities, including Boston, JFK, and Austin, Texas. This is an in-flight only offer. This offer is only available with these applications we have on board the aircraft. So if you're interested when leaving us, take one for yourself or take several, share them with family and friends. Now, to get that 60,000 miles, all you need to do is swipe your card for your very first purchase. It can be any amount: candy bar, cup of coffee, bottled water, can of soda, pack of gum, pour cash, bottle pool, bamboo to be. Any purchase will get you the 60,000. To get the additional 5,000, however, you need to apply for the card using the QR code. Simply scan the QR code with your mobile device, enter the 6-digit code under that QR code. Follow the prompts. Application process shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to complete. Once complete and submitted over to Barclays, turnaround time with the response back to you normally within an hour or so. So if you're interested, once again, credit card applications are waiting for you. Mahalo.